Markup, margin. Do you know the difference? Now, they sound so similar, but they are two completely different components when you price a job. I'll give you an example. I went out to visit a client a few years ago who was challenged with how much profit they weren't making in their business. So we sat down and I said, tell me how you price a typical job. So they would work out materials, they would work out labour, and then they said, we want to aim for a 30% gross profit margin, so we just add 30% to the job. Therein lies the big challenge. They were thinking that a markup of 30% was going to give them a profit margin or a gross profit margin of 30%. I want to share with you very quickly, and we have a tool that you can download in the link below to help you clarify this. When you add 30% to a job, what you actually keep as a percentage becomes about 22 or 23%. If you mark up 100% on top of a job, the percentage of what you keep is actually only 50%. So markup is what you add on. Margin as a percentage is what you keep once the cost of what you're selling is taken out of the component. I trust that makes a little bit of sense. But to make it easier for you, we've done the heavy lifting. We've got a great little markup versus margin tool. Many job management software now have that component factored into one of their tools. But for you, this could be a quick reference guide that you can put on the wall, have close to you, so you can simply add on the markup, knowing exactly what gross profit margin you're going to get at the end. If you need any support learning how to use this tool or implementing any of these price changes into your business, please be in touch.